Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today in grade 2 maths, I am here with the topic single digit multiplication. So quickly recall your all tables from 1 to 10. Let's quickly do the sums. With the TO concept, that is tens and ones. 9 twos are what it is. Quickly recall the answer. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 1, 8, 18. Let's do the another sum. 3 fours are 3 into 4 says 3 fours are 1 to 12. Tens and ones. Now 7 into 5. This says 7 fives are 3, 5, 35. Next 4 into 5. What will be the answer? 4 fives are 20. This is almost like dodging for you children. So keep recalling. 5 into 2. What will be the answer? Quickly go to table 5. 5 twos are 10. Now let's see the next one. 6 into 3. Quickly go to 6 table. 6 threes are 18. The next one says 2 into 5, which means 2 fives are 10 again. 5 twos are 10 or 2 fives are 10. One and the same thing. 4 into 9. Now quickly move to 4 table and find out what is the answer. 4 nines are 36. Let's do some more practice. 4 into 4. That gives you the answer. 4 fours are 16. Perfect. Now let's see some more. 1 into 0. Oh, this is a tricky one. 1 zeros are 0. It will never be 1. 8 into 3. So this says 8 threes are 24. Next is 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. 7 into 6. So 7 6 are 42. 2 into 4. So 2 4s are 8. 3 into 3 says 3 3s are 9. 8 into 1. 8 ones are 8. So I hope you all liked it. So do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment how do you like the video.